how to find enter is send settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find enter is send settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points and stop, click on it and then click settings, and here you will find this one here, chats, and here you will find this one, enter is send. You can turn it on or off, and as you see, if you click on it one click, enter is sent have been turned on, and that's it. It's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.